Hi everyone, I wanted to create a quick demo to show you how you can go into the final exam and place a password or assign some scheduling dates and times. So from the course materials menu, you're going to want to go and select the manage course materials. This will put you into a instructor view. We're going to go ahead and access the final exam folder. You'll see that I have the two hidden files here. One's a note, and the other is the actual exam. So if you go off to the right there, you'll see a menu pop up. We're going to want to select the set scheduling options. Go ahead and say OK to that, because once we make these changes, it'll then become visible to the students. In order to assign it, you're going to want to go ahead and say assign, place a due date. So for example, I can place on here, I'll use the date picker. So maybe say December 11th, and my class ends at 12:30. So I'll place in my 12:30. I'll restrict the availability to have a specific date. So it'll start on December 11th. The end date is going to be my due date. My class begins at 10:50, so I will make this, the exam itself be open at 10:50 in the morning. I like to make this visible to the students so they can see this information. Next thing I want to do is under my advanced options, I want to put in a password. So that depends on what you would like to put in here. I'm going to go ahead and say show password. So I'm going to call this Final 2017. You can call it whatever you like. And when I hit the save option, I will now see that the final exam is not, the link is there, but it will not become visible until the time it's scheduled to start. So hopefully this will refresh your memory in order to do this. I'll go ahead and just for the heck of it, I'm going to click on course materials and look at the final exam just to double check that, okay, we actually do see the final exam. Link is here. This is from the student perspective, the student view. It tells me when it's going to be scheduled and when it's ultimately going to be due. When we click on the link, it's password protected, so it tells me that the activity is not available or that it hasn't been available for students at that particular time. So again, I hope this video refreshes your memory on how to set this up. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.